Welcome back and thanks for joining us. Today we're in a wonderful place in the High Peak, Derbyshire, called Hayfield. This road, or lane, is called Vicarage Lane. This is where it all started for me in 1968. Because this is where I was born, in one of these houses up here. I won't say which number one, but it's one of these up there. I'm just walking into the village centre. I feel like I've got to keep my voice down because it is very, very quiet. It's a Thursday afternoon. I thought I might be a bit more noisier than this. What do you think, Hector? Hector, why is it so quiet? Do you know what I think we need to do? He's not listening to me. He's in a new place and he just wants to sniff and wee on everything. That's the old Royal Pub. That's been closed for a few years now. Look at this. Isn't it beautiful, this? You must be running on empty now, Hector. Where are you going to take me to? Ah, the George Hotel. We're going in? We're going in? Good boy. Good boy, Hector. Oh. Hector, let's go inside. Good boy. What a nice lady let you have. You know, this is now Hayfield's oldest pub from 1575. There used to be an older one, Hector. Bull's Head, but that closed in about 2012. And this is a beautiful pint. So these are houses now, or flats. That used to be the oldest pub here, Hector. I think that comes from like 13 something or other. Yes, I don't keep licking dog with. So what should we do now, mate? We're now walking along the Set Valley Trail. This used to be the railway line that went to Hayfield. Sadly closed down in about 1970. But it's an absolute beautiful walk now. Hector's appreciating it. He's ignoring me and he's sniffing everything and weeing on everything. But he's having a great time. So we've come out of Hayfield, walking towards New Mills. And Hayfield, there was a famous person born there. It was, yeah, you have to be quite old to remember him. But it was, if you ever watched Dad's Army, Arthur Lowe was born in Hayfield. And I was too. And Hayfield, just above it, is a Kinder Scout, which is the highest point in the Peak District. Look. Look at these. Hello. You saying hello to them, Hector? Oh. Hello. I think the llamas or them alpaca things. Hello. Isn't these nice? Oh yeah. Good boy. Proper God's country, this. This is an absolute stunning walk. Do you know, like when you suffer with depression, doing things like this, this is brilliant. I love it. Makes me feel better. Yeah, I know I've had a beer, and I know beer's not good for it, but I've got to have some pleasures in life. And that's bollocks. I've got loads of pleasures in life, haven't I? Married to a great woman. I've got a Hector. I've got 2 fantastic children that have grown up. One of them lives in London. One of them's planning on going out to America soon. Walking around here makes your head clear. And if anyone sort of gets anything out of this, or even if it just makes them smile from time to time, you know, then something's working. So, you could do us a favour, click like, subscribe, or even leave a comment below. If you've got any ideas of places I can go to, or things that I can do, or even pubs I should visit, just drop them in the comments below. I'd appreciate that. Oh. Apparently I'm not allowed in strip clubs though. Again. Good boy. You're very good, Hector. I'm going to have to cross this road. Hector, wait. 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 Well, let's cross the road. Good boy. Good boy. Interestingly enough, I used to come here in the late 80s, and for those that remember, pub hours used to be different. And on a Sunday, you had to stop drinking at 2 o'clock and go home, and they'd open up at 7 in the evening, unless you came here to the Sycamore in Birch Vale. It was worth the walk because you could go to the bar, have a baked potato with chilli on it, and stay drinking all day, because we all hated our factory jobs back then. A bit like now. Good boy, Hector. Come on, be open. I'll be gutted if it's closed. I'll not get wet. Oh shit. Oh shit. No, it's closed. Bloody hell. Well, it's a couple of miles till I get anywhere now. We'll walk along the middle of nowhere. So I'll tell you something funny that happened. Went to a gender reveal party the other week, and after half an hour I got asked to leave. The bloke who's running the place came up and says, "Steve, get out and put your trousers back on." You can have that one for free. Well, it happened. It's pissing down. Coats on, hats on, wet dog. But we're nearly at New Mills now. We can find some shelter there, mate, can't we? Hector's knackered, because we've been silly and running before. But yeah, hey? Come on, quick. Good boy. And you wet through. Now there is a pub here. Is it open, Hector? Is it going to be open? I'll show you. Mason's Arms. The door looks open. Don't that look a great sight? Hector, 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 what are you looking at? I've had a rest and a pint. It's stopped raining now, I think. I'm just going to walk to the bus. Got about 20 minutes for the bus, Hector. Just coming into the centre of New Mills. Lovely. So we are nearly home now. We're cold, wet and tired. And if you've got a jacket like this, I feel sorry for you because mine's let the water in. I am absolutely soaked and miserable. Hector's tired. Well, if you've enjoyed this, or it's made you smile, please click like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. And we'll see you in the next adventure. Take care. Ta-da.